8 Benefits of Money Tree in your bedroom. The money tree is a popular houseplant known for its braided trunk and lush, green foliage. Placing a money tree in your bedroom can offer several benefits, both practical and symbolic. 1. Air purification. Like many houseplants, the money tree helps improve indoor air quality by absorbing toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. This can create a cleaner, fresher environment in your bedroom, promoting better respiratory health. 2. Humidity regulation. Money trees release moisture into the air through transpiration, which can help maintain optimal humidity levels in your bedroom. This is especially beneficial in dry climates or during winter, when indoor air tends to be drier. 3. Stress reduction. The presence of greenery, such as a money tree, has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Its calming effect can help create a more peaceful atmosphere in your bedroom, making it easier to unwind and sleep. 4. Aesthetic appeal. The money tree's unique braided trunk and vibrant green leaves add a touch of natural beauty to your bedroom decor. It's a visually appealing plant that can enhance the overall ambience of the space. 5. Symbol of prosperity and good luck. In Feng Shui and other cultural beliefs, the money tree is considered a symbol of wealth, prosperity, and good fortune. Placing it in your bedroom is thought to attract positive energy and abundance into your life. 6. Low maintenance. Money trees are relatively easy to care for, making them ideal for bedrooms. They thrive in indirect light and require moderate watering, so they don't demand constant attention. 7. Improved sleep. While not directly proven, the improved air quality and calming presence of a money tree may contribute to a more restful sleep environment. Cleaner air and reduced stress can help you relax and sleep better. 8. Positive energy. According to Feng Shui principles, the money tree is believed to bring balance and harmony to a space. Placing it in your bedroom can help create a positive and uplifting atmosphere. Placement tips. Place the money tree in a spot with indirect sunlight, as direct sunlight can scorch its leaves. Avoid placing it too close to the bed if you're concerned about Feng Shui, as plants are considered to have active energy that might disrupt sleep for some people. Ensure proper drainage to prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot. In summary, the money tree is a great addition to your bedroom, offering both aesthetic and health-related benefits, along with its symbolic association with prosperity and positive energy.